So this is Kirkby Stephen East. Yeah, so here's the entrance of Kirkby Stephen East, as you can see, being extensively restored. Lots of things happening at the station. They run special steam events and rail events. Absolutely lovely, repainting everything. Relies on national lottery funding and public donations, run by volunteers. Absolutely looks great. A couple of steam engines here that's getting painted. As you can see, lots of boards up that tells you the history of the line. As you can see, going down. There's a blue living St Anne's here. Okay, you can actually have a look in. Nice little steam engine getting onto the footplate. As you can see, or can't see. Looks good. So now it's really looking great. Yeah. And of course, actually, this line goes all the way to Walcott, where there is another railway business going on. Probably the same as this one. I think there are hopes of one day rejoining the whole line. Right. The station master's house. Bristol, South Durham and Lancashire Union Railway, 1857. So as we come out, see obviously a few carriages, and there's obviously one repair carriage just here. Looks good. Kirkby Stephen East, as you can see. Carriages. Inside these carriages after done pretty well. So this line goes on for about a quarter of a mile, and like I said before, they're hoping to get further on as you get more funding to meet up with the railway at Walcott. So obviously, yeah, they've got the workshop sheds there. Okay, they've got a North East Railway Diagram 61 restoration project going on. There.